Today I'm going to talk to you about 6-bromo-1-hexene, and in this video I'm not only going to build this molecule using the Snatoms molecule kit, but I'm also going to talk to you about the various aspects of this molecule, including things such as the functional groups, the C hybridization, and the uniqueness set of the molecule. Alright, so I'm about to build the molecule for 6-bromo-1-hexene. So there's a 6-carbon backbone, and the first 5 carbons are connected with a single bond shown here, and the 5th and 6th carbon are connected by a double bond shown here. I'm going to attach the bromine. I'm going to attach the 11 hydrogens. Okay, so the name of this molecule is because this hexene is shown by the double bond on the first carbon, hence where the one comes from, and then the bromine is attached to the 6th carbon shown here. Okay, so this molecule has a alkene functional group because of the 1 pi bond here, and in the whole molecule there are 17 sigma bonds, and this molecule possesses 1 degree of unsaturation. So this molecule is linear because there are no branched portions of it, and there are 6 unique carbons and 7 unique hydrogen sets. So this is the uniqueness set. So this is the 6 unique carbons that are in this molecule, and here are the 7 unique hydrogens that are seen throughout this molecule. So since there are 6 carbons throughout this entire molecule, it means that each carbon possesses a unique trait. This molecule has a molecular weight of 163.05, and the sp3, these are the 4 sp3 hybridized carbons, and these are the sp2 hybridized carbons. To recap the information from the video, the molecule that I had was 6-bromo-1-hexene, and the molecular formula was C6H11Br. The functional group 1 was an alkene, and the functional group 2 was a first degree or primary bromide. The molecular weight of this molecule was 163.05 grams per mole. This molecule possesses 1 degree of unsaturation, has 17 sigma bonds, and 1 pi bond. There are 4 sp3 carbons and 2 sp2 carbons with 0 sp carbons. And lastly, the heteroatom of this molecule is bromide. Thanks for watching this video.